Today's video is going to be about my hair spa routine, which includes hair oiling, shampooing, conditioning, and what I do post hair wash to keep my curls soft and hydrated. So for my hair spa, I'm going to use the Wow Skin Science Onion Black Seed Hair Kit. And what I really like about this kit is that it contains onion and black seed. This kit helps in strengthening hair strands, unclog roots, and also maintain the scalp health. And it also beneficial for hair loss, dandruff, excessive dryness. So let's begin with my hair spa. So the first thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to comb my hair to take out excess knot, and this step helps later on while I'm shampooing and conditioning my hair, as the products work well on my wavy curly hair. And to remove the knots, I'm using the Vega white tooth comb, and it's amazing if you have wavy to curly hair. After combing my hair, I'm going to use the Wow Onion Black Seed Hair Oil, which is a non-sticky, non-greasy oil which gets easily absorbed into the hair shaft. Now, I highly recommend this hair oil if you suffer from dryness and end up having tangles at the end of the hair, because this oil helps in adding moisture and shine to the hair. The hair oil comes with a comb applicator, which makes it very easy for evenly distribution of the hair oil on the scalp. After keeping the hair oil for around 3 hours, I'm going to move on to the shampoo. And here I'm using the Wow Onion Black Seed Shampoo, which helps to moisturize the scalp and hair. This shampoo is enriched with antioxidants, nutrients, and vitamin E that support healthy hair. So usually I take about 3 pumps of the shampoo and I mix it with water and I apply it on my hair. If you guys are interested in my hair wash routine, I have a separate video on it. I'm going to put the link above if you guys are interested. Moving on to the conditioner. This one helps to moisturize and strengthen weak and brittle hair. It also helps in improving the texture of the hair to add volume and shine. So I let my hair dry naturally, and it takes about 30 minutes for about 50% of my hair to dry off. And while my hair is still damp, I'm going to move on to the next step, which is adding a serum. As I have dry to wavy hair, my hair tends to get up really dry at the ends. So this serum really helps in moisturizing the strand of the hair. And as this is made from all natural ingredients, it strengthens the hair strands from within. To add volume to my crown area, I usually flip my hair in the forward direction and I repeat the process. I just scrunch my hair up really nicely with the serum, and then I just leave my hair and let it air dry completely. And this is what my hair looks once it's kind of dried, like 80% dried. And I'll show you what my hair looks the next morning. In case you're interested in buying any of the products or this kit, then I have put the link in the description bar below. Do check it out. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye.